Withdrawing funds from your Robinhood account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, locate and tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and balance overview. Step 3. Select Transfers. In your account settings, look for the Transfers option. This section allows you to manage your funds, including withdrawals and deposits. Step 4. Choose Withdraw Funds. After selecting Transfers, find and click on the Withdraw Funds option. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your account. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.